In this video, we will see that how we can backup and restore our WhatsApp data between Android and iPhone. You can also do this from Android to Android or iPhone to iPhone in the same way. To backup and restore our data, we will use iToolab WatsGo, and this supports iOS and Android latest version. Using the tool, we can easily transfer our WhatsApp data in multiple ways. So now just click on free download, and when it's downloaded, just click on it and just click on install. And it will take some time, so just wait. And just click on start now. And then you will see the tool interface. Now there are three options. First is WhatsApp transfer, then WhatsApp business transfer, and GB WhatsApp transfer. So I am using WhatsApp account, so I will just select the first option. Now the first method of transferring your WhatsApp data by just clicking on start, and you can just connect your source device and destination device, and you can directly transfer it. But today we will see another method, WhatsApp backup and restore. This is the best way because WhatsApp data will be backup in your computer. You don't have to worry about your phone storage if you have a bigger data, or you don't have to think about your iCloud limit or Google Drive storage limit. It will prevent data loss and ensure better security. Now just click on WhatsApp backup, and here we have to connect our backup device to our computer. Now here you can see text, videos, images, and also voice clips. Now we want to transfer to our iPhone device. Now we don't need our iPhone for now. We will just first backup from our Android. So we will just plug it and just select the file transfer Android Auto. And then we have to just go to our settings. And here we have to search build. And here you'll see build number. And you have to just click 7 times on it. And you will see you are now a developer. Now go back and search here developer. Now you'll see the developers, and below you will see developer options. Now you have to turn the option on, and then just go down, and here you will see USB debugging, so turn it on and press OK. If your phone does not connected to the tool, or if it shows any error, then you have to go and just check your notification. Now click on USB file. Select PTP or no data transfer. Click on allow, and then you will see your device has been connected successfully. Now in the tool, you have to click on backup, and here we have to do these steps. So we will go to our WhatsApp, and we will click on 3-dot option, click on settings, go to chats option, and here you will see chat backups, and then you will see end-to-end encryption, and click on turn on. Click on use 64 digits key, and click on generate your 64 digits key, and now you have to take a screenshot from here, and then just click on continue. Click I have saved my 64 digits key, and click on create. Now it will be backupping your messages. When it's done, now you have to click on enabled. Now you will see the tool is backupping and decrypting your data. And here we have to enter our 64 digits key that we have previously taken a screenshot. So we will just open the screenshot, and we will just enter the 64 digits key correctly. So I'm just filling it out. After you have filled it out correctly, just click on verify, and you will see backed up to WhatsApp successfully. Now click on view backup, and here you will see the backup history, and with the size, number, type, and time. So all the details will be there. So just click on view backup. And here you can see all the chats are backup successfully and showing in an organized way more than Google Drive or iCloud, making it more user friendly. So we can just select what we want to transfer or restore. I'm just selecting all and just click on restore. All messages will be restored. So click on OK. And now we have to disconnect our previous device and just connect our iPhone device. Now I'm just connecting the device in which I want to restore. And when it's connected, just click on restore and click on continue. Now we have to log in our WhatsApp account. Before we log in into our iPhone, we have to go to our settings in our Apple account, go to Find My, and here you have to just turn it off your Find My iPhone. Now I'm just clicking on turn off. And here it will ask your password. So just click on turn off, and it will be turning off your Find My iPhone. When it's off, just go to your WhatsApp and just log in with your same account, and just click on next. and click on yes, it will send a verification code to your previous device. So just fill it out, 335673, and it will be validating. And here we will just skip the restore from iCloud, skip restore, and just set the name, and we have logged in into our account successfully. Now we have to just click on logged in, and we have to select the files what we want or not. Just click on continue, and it will be restoring your WhatsApp data, and your device will be restarted automatically. During the restart time, the tool will show restore data successfully. Now when the iPhone is turned on, we will just go and check our WhatsApp, and here you can see all the data are restored successfully in our new device. This is how you can back up and restore your WhatsApp data. You can transfer from Android to Android or iPhone to iPhone in the same way. To transfer your WhatsApp data, download the application now, and you will get 30% discount if you use PLOP30S. They also have different features. You can check it out. The website link will be in the description box below.